Today I'm just going to be doing a brake bleed quick on my O2 Softail. I'm going to show you how to do it just if you're by yourself. Very easy. Need a floor jack, water bottle with a cap. Drill the cap out just so you can fit like a, I guess like a 3/16 inch hose. You can squeeze around the bleeder right there on the rear caliper. This is a 3/8 inch wrench. Phillips head screwdriver, DOT5 brake fluid, and just peel the cap off the rear reservoir. And I'm going to show you how to do it real easy. So the method is simple. Just attach your hose. I use a long length just so I can actually set the bottle and tape it to the jack so I can watch the fluid and the air bubbles that do come out until it's coming out clean. So the method is attach your hose to the bleed nipple and then run it into your bottle and put the wrench, the box head side or the closed face side onto the nut and peel your reservoir cap and diaphragm off. And what you're going to do is, as you bleed, you notice the brake pedal's in the closed position, so you're going to crack that valve and depress the pedal, hold it all the way bottomed out, and then close that. Then you can release the pedal. And you're going to do that process until you have all fresh fluid. And while you're doing it, just make sure you keep that at least halfway filled up. I go full and I'll run 2 or 3 times through the system just to clean everything out. And then at that point you'll see new fluid and hopefully no air bubbles, so you don't have to continue bleeding. But bleed it till you see no air bubbles. And this bike, certified pre-owned, that's a whole other story. I can go through a list of problems I found on this bike being a certified pre-owned Harley, and we'll do that maybe for another video to kind of give you guys a heads up with certified pre-owned and what to look for, and problems that you may find or you're going to want to look for before you purchase. So that's the brake bleed video, brake bleed video. Again, make sure you do keep this halfway filled up in the reservoir, otherwise you run the risk of pumping air into the system. Highly unlikely, but as long as you're doing the process right, closed valve, closed position on the brake. Open this, depress the pedal, hold it, come back, close it, release the pedal. And that's it, guys. Quick and easy. You can do it by yourself. You don't need a second person. Very simple. Any questions? Like, comment, subscribe. Get at me on Instagram, E_dingo38, and I can help you with whatever. Thanks. Hi. Alright, so to bleed the brakes by yourself, simple, just I'm going to crack this valve, open it, just a quarter turn. Once I open, push the pedal all the way down, you'll see fluid come out into the jug. Close it, release the brake pedal all the way in the closed position, and repeat until you see new fluid and no air bubbles. And that's it.